Hello, how are we doing today? Good, I hope. I have a little pink and red and blue candy cane here. It actually reminds me of Cat in the Hat because that color pink is the color of the snow in Cat in the Hat, and I love that book. Okay, we are doing a new section. It's on page 143 called Using More Than One Pair of Congruent Triangles. I told you in class that you needed to put the proof that's on page 143 into your notebooks. Okay, I'm only going to go over one classroom exercise. There's not even like a real teaching section without just doing a problem. So I'm going to go over number one in the classroom exercises. We have to prove that two parts of a triangle are congruent. So the way we're going to prove that is proving more than one triangle is congruent. Okay? So I'll show you what I mean. We have to prove in this is on page 144, number one. We have to prove AS is congruent to DT. Well, in the picture, they showed us that this side, AB is congruent to DE with the little mark. AC is congruent to DF. And SC is congruent to TF. Angle A, the whole thing, so it's really BAC, is congruent to EDF. So, how am I going to prove that AS is congruent to DT? Well, if you notice, this is one big triangle, this is one big triangle, but there's two little triangles that make up the big triangle. So, they've given us this information. Well, from the big triangle, the first step says triangle ABC. They basically did all the statements for you, and you have to do the reasons. Okay? So the key steps. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. How do we know that this big triangle is congruent to this big triangle? I'm going to show you. SAS. This big triangle is congruent to that big triangle by SAS. So the reason here is the SAS postulate. The next one, angle C is congruent to angle F. Here's C, here's F. So they're saying, now I'm going to add this in, that C is congruent to F. How do I know that? Well, I just said the two whole triangles are congruent. So by CPCTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, these two parts are corresponding parts of the big triangle. So that's CPCTC. Now I can say that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Why is that? Side, angle, side. Again, I can use side, angle, side. So the answer for ACS is triangle ACS is congruent to DFT by side, angle, side. Now I can say AS is congruent to DT by corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. CPCTC. These aren't too bad. I really want you guys, you're going to be working with a partner in class, and hopefully we'll be able to figure these out. They're kind of fun. I like them. Have a great night. The keyword is Cat in the Hat. Bye.